So here we have the 17 Pro Max and the 17 Pro, and the Beats case on this occasion in the grey colour, and I'll do a very quick unboxing. Now first of all, I'll show you last year's case for the 16 Pro Max, and on very quick visual inspection like this, the boxes are identical in size, it seems. And these are, I mean, I'm one of those people that likes packaging, and I must say the packaging is very nice, and I do appreciate the packaging. So I've got the Apple Beats case 17 Pro Max here in grey, and the standard Apple clear case for the 16 Pro here. Now the case of the cases are slightly different in size, as you can see, but it is negligible, but they are very similar in size. Anyway, let's go with I actually have not seen these cases or these phones in the flesh at all. So on camera like this, as I'm unboxing them, is the first time I've seen them. So let me unbox the Beats case for the 17 Pro first, because I'm very curious. I've seen images of these products, but of course sometimes images can never represent the actual case itself. Now, on first impressions, the case is lovely, and this internal material, is it a microfiber-esque type of material? Although on first impressions like this, it feels like suede. Anyway, this is a plasticky, but it has that very nice quality plasticky feel. I must admit, I do like it very much. That is very nice. Now, I think what I will do is I'll tip the box out the way. Let me open this the Max Pro. Obviously, it's just a little bigger, so it's going to be almost identical to the smaller one. I can pull this. There we go. And also, like this, the colour of the grey case, it's actually a dark grey. It's not black and it's not light grey. It's definitely dark grey. I must say I do like it. That is very impressive. I really do like it. Okay, so let's open the Pro first. I'm just going to check. So, okay, and I have to say, oh gosh, in real life like this, it's always different when you, I do find that these phones they're always different from the images. I mean, that's a nice thing. I don't think that's a bad thing, but that is very nice. Oh gosh, that is really very nice. Look at that. Yeah, okay, that is super. Let me put that there like that, and I shall do the same with the aluminium. It does feel very premium and very high-end. Let me put the box there like that, and I'll take this out. Oh yes, that's very good. I have to say, in the hand like this, you know, they do feel super. Wow, that's very good. Okay, so let me take the cover off there. Oh, that is lovely. I'm so tempted to shove this straight into the case. In fact, I will do. Why not? And oh, that's rather cool, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, very impressed with that, I have to say. And I might as well do the same with the Pro. Let's put that in the case. And there's always a knack to these things, I find. There we go. I've squeezed that in. And you can just very faintly see the silver aluminium around the edge of the glass, but that's fine. It's actually got an air of sophistication about it. It is very nice, I have to say. In fact, why don't I take those boxes out the way, They are very good, I have to say that. They are super duper. And these phones feel very nice. Let me quickly pull a 15 Pro into camera. So the 16 Pro got slightly bigger, and the 17 Pro here is the same size. Actually, it's probably half a millimeter difference. I do find that these every year the sizes change very slightly. So this might be just slightly bigger than the 16 Pro, and the 16 Pro was just slightly bigger than the 15 Pro, this one. But there you go, this is the yeah, so that, I suppose the size difference is noticeable, only ever just, but it is noticeable. And the screen, yeah, the screen size is definitely noticeable. Look at that. That is definitely a difference. How interesting. Anyway, you know, once again, these iPhones, they are such well-made, high-quality products, even though an iPhone is a year or two old. Actually, or 3 or 4 years old, they still have that quality feeling and luster about them. They are very nice. But there you go. This is the 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. And on first impression and first holding like this, they are absolutely brilliant. How cool are they? They're very good. And these objects are probably some of the most technical, culture-changing devices that you've ever known. You know, these things are super important to us all, really, and society, because of the technology-enabled cultural things that you know, that they deliver to us on a personal level. But isn't that very interesting? Yeah, I love it. Once again, I'm filled with you know, delight in the quality feel of these items and the unboxing experience. They really are very, very good. Anyway, there you go. This is the iPhone. I'm trying to get trying to get the focus there, and there we go. And I'm trying to get it in focus as best as I can to make it look the best that it can. Let me see if I can do that. There we go. There we go. The iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. They're nice things.